Let's go guys, it's Raul TV, Team R for you all, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again with another video. This time round, got an Audi A3, 2015 Audi A3, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the rear diffuser. Okay, it's an S-Line one, a normal S-Line, I think it's a 1.6 diesel S-Line, normal standard one. I've already put the spoiler on. He wants to put the rear diffuser on as well, like a RS3 kind of thing. Obviously not an RS3, but hey, customer wants it, I'm going to replace it for you, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it as well. Dead easy. Let's go. Audi A3 2015 rear diffuser replacement. Let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, what it is, if you're doing it on the floor, you can do it on the floor, but it's, you know what, if you can borrow a ramp from somebody, one of your friends or something like that, for about half an hour, that's all you need. Half an hour's job. So anyway, I've got it on the ramp. If you're doing it on the floor, you can do it on the floor, like I mentioned, but make sure it's nice and safe. Put some axle stands on it, put a block on the front, jack the back up, get a nice solid trolley jack. You don't want no cheap old trolley jacks, car falling on you. That will really make your day. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go underneath the car. We need to take this Torx off here, another Torx off here. I think it's Torx 20 or 25. I think it's a 20 actually. Take them two Torx off, right, and then we'll go from there. Okay, after we've taken these two off, this one and this one, it should be plain sailing. Basically, can you see these clips here? We need to push these clips down or up, whichever way. I've never done this, so it's first time for me as well, right? And basically we need to take these clips off. So can you see this clip here? Either up or down. I'm guessing it's down. I'm going to get a flat screwdriver, ping it down and see if it comes off. Okay, I think I've sussed it out a little bit. These are off. Can you see the bottom ones? Just ping them off with a screwdriver. Okay, that's off. The ones on the top, they're pretty much similar. Can you see this piece here? We're going to bend this piece down, and then that piece there, that black piece, we're going to push that down and push it back, push this diffuser back basically. Same with this one as well. If you look here, we're going to bend that piece down, bend it all the way, okay, and then this piece here will come down and it should go back. So them two off. A few more here as well. Bend this one all the way, okay, and then the piece behind there, little clip, push that, there we go. That one's off. As you can see on this side, it's coming away. You'll see it when you take it off. These little clips here, it's just clipped on. So what we need to do, like I mentioned, the actual bumper piece, pull that down, and the little black piece there, push that down and push it towards the back of the car. I think that's the best I can explain it, guys. We have to take them little clips off all the way around. I'll try demonstrating on this one as well. There we go. So I'm going to bend this one down like this, just like that, screwdriver, and then push that down and push the diffuser back towards the back. And that's come off. Next one here, as you can see, I'm bending that clip, then push this clip down and then push the diffuser back. Same on this one, bend that one, bend it down, push this clip down, you can just see there, and then push the diffuser back. That should come off as well. So all the way around the diffuser, obviously the black piece here, all the way around, all the way to this side, and hopefully it should come straight off. Okay, my bad guys, obviously the top clips are like that as well. You got some on the bottom as well, as you can just see there. Yeah, these little clip here, just push them. Okay, same again on the bottom, bend it there. As you can see, I'm bending it up, and that diffuser should go back. Bend it here again. You can just make it out, bend that little piece there. You've got some clips all the way around the bottom. Take them clips off here as well. Hopefully, should come straight off. Right, there we have it. diffuser is off, the original normal standard diffuser. I mean, it's not even a diffuser, it's just a back piece of the bumper. That's off. What we're going to do now is, I mean, I'm going to show you guys, there's the little clips I'm on about. You need to press them from the inside, press them in, the bottom ones as well. You've got some clips on the bottom as well. I mean, you'll see it, you can't really go wrong. I can't really show you 100%, but yeah, you just press them in and just push it towards the back of the car. It should come straight out. I mean, that took me about 5 minutes to take off. If you're on the floor, doing it on the floor, it's going to be slightly harder, but if you can borrow a ramp, it should take you no more than 10 minutes. Right, let's get the new one. What we're going to do is we're going to clean this up first. Clean it up properly. So the new one will just slide straight on. Put a bit of oil on the edges and everything. So it will just slide straight on. Should be okay. Let's do it. Okay guys, sit rep. The thing is, there's the original one. As you can see, it's got the little clips on the original ones. No problem whatsoever. It's got the original clips on it. The aftermarket diffuser that my man has got me is slightly different. So as you can see, it hasn't got the clips on there. So this clip that will slide in, and they've given me some screws, basically screws to screw in from the inside, which makes my job a little bit harder, but you know what, it won't be that hard. Just screw it in. For the bottom, it's got the screw holes on there. They're giving me some bolts. I'm gonna bolt it up on the bottom as well. And yeah, pretty much if you got the original one, you know, it's just put a plug and play, basically just click it back on. But because it's not an original one, it's an aftermarket one from the internet, eBay or something like that. Slightly little issues, but nothing major, nothing Team R4UL cannot handle. Let's get it on. Right, so we've got the new diffuser here. It should go straight on. So just line it up from one side. I think it looks alright. What we're going to do now, we're going to send it back up and we're going to screw it on, bolt it on. Obviously it's not an original one. If it was an original one, clip straight on, 2 screws on the bottom, happy day. Because it's not an original one, we have to bolt it up. For the bottom here, what we need to do is, obviously it's got drill holes, it's got holes drilled already. So we need to drill it through so we can go through this part here as well. Okay, and then we're just going to get some of the bolts that they've supplied us with, nut and bolts. Just bang them in there. Hopefully that should be that. So put it in through there, get the nut on the top, all the way around here. I don't think you can get the end ones on. I'm going to try to get the end ones on. Basically drill through it, try to get a nut and bolt on there as well, secure it properly, and hopefully that should be that for the bottom. As for the top here, all we're going to do is the screws that they've supplied us with, we're just going to screw it in. Self tappers should be okay. Let's go. Right, so I've put these on the bottom, as you can see there. Right, I haven't tightened them up yet. The ones on the top, the screws, I'm just going to put them on and hopefully tighten up on them. Really hard to get to, so I've got an electric ratchet. Like that, screw them all in. Hopefully that should be enough for the top. Bottom ones, tighten them up. These ones here, these ones, and that's it. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we do the rear diffuser on an Audi A3. Should be the same on the A4 or the A5, or it's pretty much similar, I think, on all of them. Anyway, that's how we do it. Dead easy. You can do it outside your house, on the floor, but please be careful. You don't want the car falling on you. Make sure you jack it up and everything. Make sure it's safe. Anyway, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys soon.